So here we have my Rocky Mountain Instinct BC 2019 model. Quick bike check on it for you. So we've got the Alloy 50 frame, which is in the awesome brown sugar colour, as they call it. Some pretty clean, tidy lines on there, good welding, nice smooth link suspension platform. As you can see, we've upgraded the rear shock to a Fox DHX2 with a 450-pound spring. That's upgraded from the standard performance DPX2. Up front, we've also upgraded the fork to a factory Grip 2 Fox 36, which is an awesome piece of kit. That's upgraded from the standard Fox Performance 36. As you can see, we've also got the Trick Cash Bronze stem there from Bergtech. Also got the Bergtech Ride Wide Enduro handlebars. Grips, we've got some Ergon GD1s. Brakes are the stock Guide REs, which are awesome stoppers, to be fair. We've also upgraded the dropper lever to a 1-up components dropper lever. Inside the stem we have the awesome 1-up EDC tool, brilliant bit of kit that. I've also got a light mount here for my Hope light and a Garmin mount. So down here we have Bergtech Penthouse Mark IV pedals in the Cash Bronze colour. Underneath there we've got the 1-up bash guard, which is nice paired up with the Spirit Guide on top there. Grip wise comes courtesy of the V Tyre Co Snap WCE up front. Super sticky, really aggressive tyre, with a downhill casing on it. Sticks like you would not believe to pretty much everything. Out back we've got a standard flow snap in the top 40 compound, slightly different tread pattern, still super aggressive though. Wicked tyre, great bit of kit. Saddle Ergon SMA3, and that is attached to a race face turbine R dropper, which is actually a Fox transfer post. That's pretty much it. It's an awesome bit of kit, super fast, super planted, big 29er wheels. Yeah, it's a great bike. Thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed. We'll get some more videos out soon.